From your browser start page, go to www.building-controls.com. On the BCS homepage, click Register for Account in the top menu. Once on the account registration page, fill out your personal information and hit Next. Provide your company information, then hit Next. Provide your billing information, then hit Next. Once you've made sure your account information is correct, hit Create Account. An account activation link will be sent to your email. In your inbox, find the account activation email from BCS. Click Activate your account. Another tab will open. Input your email and hit Continue. Go back to your inbox and find the email from BCS with your verification code. Click the Enter Code tab. Enter the verification code from your email. Hit Submit. Orders will be the first page that appears. Click the logo in the top left to go to the home page. On the home page, you can now access your account in the top right. Congratulations, you have now set up your account.